Public opinion is no more than this, what people think that other people think. The glory of gardening: hands in the dirt, head in the sun, heart with nature. To nurture a garden is to feed not just on the body, but the soul. Tears are the summer showers to the soul. Exclusiveness in a garden is a mistake as great as it is in society. There is no gardening without humility. Nature is constantly sending even its oldest scholars to the bottom of the class for some egregious blunder. If nature built by rule and square, then man what wiser would she be? What wins us is her careless care, and sweet unpunctuality. Doth nature draw me, 'tis because, unto my seeming, there doth lurk a lawlessness about her laws, more mood than purpose in her work. The bright incarnate spirit of the morn. He is dead already who doth not feel life is worth living still. Life seems like a haunted wood, where we tremble and crouch and cry. Faded smiles oft linger in the face, while grief's first flakes fall silent on the heart. No one can rightly call his garden his own unless he himself made it. Through the dripping weeks that follow one another slow, and soak summer's extinguished fire and autumn's drifting smoke. Is life worth living? Yes, so long as spring revives the year, and hails us with the cuckoo's song, to show that she is here. We come from the earth, we return to the earth, and in between we garden. No verse which is unmusical or obscure can be regarded as poetry whatever other qualities it may possess. In vain would science scan and trace firmly her aspect. All the while, there gleams upon her far-off face a vague unfathomable smile. We are all alike, and we love to keep passion aglow at our feet, like one that sitteth in shade and complacently smiles at the heat. Though my verse but roam the air and murmur in the trees, you may discern a purpose there, as in music of the bees.